Every day, millions of people enjoy potato chips. But have you ever wondered how they're made?
It all begins with fresh, carefully selected potatoes arriving at the factory.
Each potato is inspected to ensure quality, size, and freshness.
Damaged or spoiled potatoes are removed to maintain product standards.
Only the best potatoes move forward into the production line.
The potatoes are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities.
Modern machines ensure consistent and hygienic cleaning.
Next, the potatoes are peeled using high-speed mechanical peelers.
Workers monitor the process to ensure perfect peeling.
Now the potatoes are ready for slicing.
Sharp, rotating blades slice the potatoes into thin, even pieces. Uniform thickness ensures even frying later.
Slice thickness can be adjusted depending on the desired chip style.
Excess starch is removed through rinsing. This step improves crispiness and color.
Now comes the most critical stage, frying.
Temperature control is essential for perfect chips.
Within seconds, the slices turn golden and crispy.
Oil quality is continuously filtered and monitored. Excess oil is removed as chips move forward.
Seasoning adds flavor to the freshly fried chips.
Exact measurements ensure consistent taste.
From classic salt to bold spices, flavors vary by recipe.
Quality teams test flavor and crunch.
Once approved, chips move to packaging.
High-speed machines pack chips in seconds.
Every pack is checked for weight and seal quality.
Special gases keep the chips fresh and crispy.
Packets are boxed and prepared for shipping. Finished products are stored in climate-controlled warehouses.
From farm to factory to your hands, that's how potato chips are made.